So last night, to take care of some of my slugs, I put out some beer traps. Before I put the traps out, I picked a bunch of slugs off. I picked off at least, I believe, 13 slugs off of the plants and the surrounding areas, and I chucked them into the lagoon. And then I put out some beer traps, and we're gonna see how they did. Hey, look at that. We've caught, I don't know, it looks like 8 or 9 slugs and a bunch of fruit flies, and we've got to try my other trap. And I don't know, maybe another 5 or 6 slugs in there and a lot of fruit flies. So I would consider that a success. Probably need to clean out the vermin out of there, and maybe I can leave them out another day. I got another thing to show you, which is my hand washing station, my handy dandy hand washing station. Let me show you how this works. I just painted the bottle so it looks less hideous from the side, but what I've got here going is I've got a cup here, a plastic cup, and I put a little hole in it, and then I pour some water in there, and then I put this cup up here, and then I have my bar of soap, and I can wet my hand here and use the bar of soap, and then the water trickles out there. And of course this is all much easier with 2 hands, but that's my hand washing setup. I just leave the soap there on the shelf, and I can make my hands nice and clean. And with my new paint job, if you look at it from the outside, it doesn't look so bad. And it's my gardening setup.